all who appear to be human beings are not really human beings. Most of them are animals in the shape of humans. All that glitters is not gold. All who appear to be human beings are not really human beings. They are like animals, rather worse. Now, this is exactly the translation as a verse of the Quran. This is again from Surah Al-Araf. لَقَدْ زَرَعْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ لَا يَفْقَهُونَ بِهَا وَلَهُمْ أَعْيُنٌ لَا يُبْصِرُونَ بِهَا وَلَهُمْ آذَانٌ لَا يَسْمَعُونَ بِهَا أُولَٰئِكَ كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ. We have created the fuel for Jahannam in the form of many apparently human beings and the jinns. لَقَدْ ذَرَعْنَا لِجَهَنَّمَ كَثِيرًا مِنَ الْجِنِّ وَالْإِنسِ. No difficult word. It's very simple. These appear to be human beings. They have hearts, but they don't ponder and don't think with these hearts. They have eyes, but they don't see with these eyes. They see like the seeing of animals. A dog can also see a car is coming and he has to save himself. It has to save itself. If you have also seen the car coming and you are saving yourself, no difference. The seeing of man should be somewhat else. See something and ponder over it. Who created it? What does it mean? What's the beginning and what's the end of it? فَاعْتَبِرُوا يَا أُولِي الْأَبْصَارِ. Not only seeing. دِيدًا دِغَرَامُ سُنِيدًا دِغَرَامُ. وَلَهُمْ آذَانٌ لَا يَسْمَعُونَ بِهَا. They have ears, but they don't listen with them. أُولَٰئِكَ كَالْأَنْعَامِ بَلْ هُمْ أَضَلُّ. They are like cattle, animal, rather horse. Why? Because the cattle were created at a certain level. They can't go beyond. But human beings were created. لَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ فِي أَحْسَنِ تَقْوِيمٍ. We breathed from our own spirit into him. فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. As if a human being also behaves just as an animal, he is worse than an animal.